Hello everyone, this is Hassan from Mouthful Economics. In this video, we'll talk about equation, relation and function. Let us take two equations. Number 1, y1 equal to twice x plus 4, and number 2, y2 equal to root over x. Let's separate them. Now, for this equation, if x equal to 0, y1 equal to 4, x equal to 1, y1 equal to 6, x equal to 2, y1 equal to 8. Here we see that if x increases from 0 to 1, from 1 to 2, y1 increases from 4 to 6, from 6 to 8. Now, if we look at the second equation, here if x is equal to 4, y2 equal to 2 or minus 2. Why 2 or minus 2? Because when we root a number, we separate the number into two equal parts such that, or if we multiply these two parts, we get the initial number. Meaning, if we multiply 2 with 2 equal parts, we will get 4. Again, if we multiply minus 2 with minus 2, we will get same 4. Again, if x is equal to 9, y2 equal to 3 or minus 3. If x equal to 16, y2 equal to 4 or minus 4. Here we see that if x increases from 4 to 9 to 16, x increases, we take the positive values, y2 increases. But if we take the negative values, y2 becomes minus 3 from minus 2 and from minus 3 to minus 4 as value of x increases. So for the negative values of y, as x increases, y2 decreases. Now, what is the difference between these two examples? In the first example, there is a specific relationship between x and y1. The specific relationship is that as x increases, y1 increases. But in the second example, as x increases, for positive values of y2, y2 increases. For negative values of y2, y2 decreases. So there is no specific relationship between x and y2 in the second example. Therefore, we can say that the first example is a function, whereas the second example is just a relation. Okay, so here we can say this first example is a function and this second example just a relation. Second example is just a relation. Now, what do we understand by function? Here we can write y1 is a function of x. Not that we have to write f to express a function. We can write y1 is equal to orange x. It means that the name of the function is orange, where x is the independent variable, or impulse variable, and y1 is the dependent variable or response variable. Now, the values of x are known as domain and the values of y1 are known as range. So these values 0, 1, 2 are known as what? Domain for this function, and the values of y, that means 4, 6 and 8, these values are known as range. Okay. To conclude, in case of a function, there is a specific relationship. It can be if x increases, y increases, or if x increases, y decreases. But for a relation, there are no specific relationships. Well, this is all for now. Don't forget to practice. There is one disclaimer though, not a native English speaker, therefore following my grammar and pronunciation is subject to tremendous risk. Anyway, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Want to learn more? Follow the link in the description below. Bye bye.